Now here's a stunning car. 1956 Chevrolet 210 Post, I guess you call it. Two-door sedan, sometimes known as. Now this one is a Pro Street car. And first off, the finish on this, and take a look down this driver's side. Take a look how straight this car is. Started out as an Oklahoma vehicle, so it was nice and solid to start with before it was done up to how you see it today. Kind of a silver, I would say silver and raspberry, if you will. Chrome bright work on this vehicle, very, very nice. Take a look up here. The grille, headlight bezels. Again, just a stunning vehicle. This one will turn some heads, there's no doubt about that. Wait till we fire it up. All right, I got a cheat sheet here a little bit. I'll run down and go through some of the things on this car. Also, where we have our still pictures, you can check out the underside, the engine bay, the interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. In with those pictures, there's also kind of a stat sheet that I took a picture of and uploaded, so you can see that, where the pictures are of this car. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. You can see, looks like riding on a weld style wheel. It's got the Mickey Thompsons in the back. That Pro Street tubbed look. Now, underneath the hood, let me get into some of this. 454 LS6 crate engine with rectangular ported heads, forged crank, pink rods, TRW pistons. I also have a Griffin aluminum radiator, MSD ignition, Edelbrock intake, and 600 carb. It is 2 4-barrels underneath there too. Check that out in the pictures. Williams headers, Scott's 16-inch electric fan, high torque electric starter, Edelbrock cam and lifters, Austin's mufflers, 3-inch exhaust, Crane roller timing chain, and much, much more. All right, you can see B&M shifter, some aftermarket gauges underneath there, steering column mounted tack. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended warranty, but you better double check with the sales associates, because there's a horsepower limit. Supposedly this one is putting out somewhere in the low to mid 500 horse range. Take a look again down the passenger side of this. See how straight that is, see how the bright work is nice. You don't see a bunch of dings or nicks in that bright work. A lot of little things in this car that stand out, that complete it very nicely. Chrome around in the rear, also in good shape. Speaking of the rear, Ford 9-inch in the back of this. Let me go down a little more. Let's get to the tranny and I'll get some of that out of the way and let you know about turbo 400 automatic transmission built by Chuck Lofgren. B&M deep aluminum rib pan, dynamic racing torque converter with a 3200 stall B&M full ratchet shifter, Williams cross member and drive shaft loop. Very, very nice setup for the street or the track. Two-tone paint with silver and raspberry really pops, as you can see. How about a little more on this? 411 gears in the rear, strange gears. Modular case by Rick Campbell. Also has Morrison ladder bars in the rear. Brakes are GM and Willwood. Williams 2-inch drop spindles. And anti-sway bars as well. All right, let's take a look at the interior of this. And again, there's that cheat sheet in with the still pictures. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. As you can see, you kind of got the gray and silver raspberry interior, color match to the exterior. Seats are in nice shape. You don't feel a bunch of rips, tears, holes, anything like that. A little bit of custom embroidery thread work in them for a little bit of detail. All right, we're going to fire this up, let it run just a little bit, and I'll probably shut it down and we'll pop the hood so you can take a look at that. Let's see. All righty. Great sounding car. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me open that hood real quick while this is running. Alright. There you go. Aluminum radiator, some of the things we talked about. Two Edelbrocks on there. Look how smooth that runs. This thing is responsive. Sounds good. Again, 454 LS6. And that is in a 1956 Chevrolet 210 two-door post. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended warranty, but like I said, with the horsepower, double check with your sales consultant when you call in or email.